What do you know about Trane versus Bryant furnaces? Which brand do you think is better?
Trane is one of the biggest manufacturers of furnaces in the US. And it has a fair reputation.
It rivals Bryant in market share.
Actually, it rivals Carrier in market share. Bryant is a second-tier brand, and it only sells as many as it does because the units are so cheap.
What do you think of Trane service?
Trane says that while a heater or air conditioner should get serviced once a year, heat pumps should be checked out twice a year.
Is that because there is twice as much that can go wrong with them? I do not care as much about service as I do warranty coverage of the repairs.
Trane's warranty varies based on the price of the unit. The high-end heat pumps and furnaces have a 10-year limited warranty, while the cheaper ones have a 5-year limited warranty.
How limited?
Trane's heat pumps and furnaces have to be registered within 2 months of installation to be fully in effect. And the warranty covers parts, not labor.
What do you think of Bryant?
Bryant is one of the higher-rated furnace brands in terms of customer reviews. As many people love it as hate it.
That does not sound so hot for a furnace.
Coleman and Goodman manage 2 and 3 negative reviews for every positive one.
That's a bad track record.
Trane gets as many good as bad reviews, and that's mostly from the surprise the Trane broke or shock at the repair bill.
Which brand do you think I should get?
Trane has better energy efficiency, though you pay more for it up front. Bryant is a little less efficient, but it breaks down often.
Then it sounds like I'm going with Trane.